You telling me you're falling out in love with me. Hope you can find someone to love you better than I did. Taking our memories on love and treating it like nothing.
What's going on, YouTube? We are back. But anyways, yo, what's going on, YouTube? What's popping? What's crack-a-lacking? What's good? We are back with another banger for y'all today. Yo, so today we talking about some Air Max 1s who I think people are sleeping on. Maybe some people not, maybe some people is. I don't know. Y'all tell me if y'all slept on them, did y'all cop? What happened with them? Please tell me if it's one of those shoes that you was like, ooh, when you seen it. If it wasn't, I understand, but I got two of them for you today. Look, two great eBay pickups. I'm gonna run down the line of them. The first one we got, which I thought was kind of one of them ones that was like, it's the Air Max Treelines. Bam. Air Max Treelines. Bam, bam, bam. I got this with gently used off of eBay for the clean price of, I want to say 110, 115, somewhere up in there. Both these shoes I got them for reasonable price, gently worn. So shout out to the person that sold these to me on eBay. I don't know your name, but if you're watching this or if you watch my videos because you went to search for me, whatever, hey, thank you. These right here, I think is a dope Air Max 1. I think the purple, that green, and that tan color sets it off. I will be changing the shoelaces. I think I got some shoelaces laying around. I think I might change these too. But yeah, these shoelaces will be coming out. I think I got some dark green ones. I think that'll set this off. But I want to say this because this is one of the ones that was slept on. Me personally, I think the colors go well. I think I could get some stuff off this summer. And now this don't look like a summer shoe to you. The next one is straight summer shoe, but I definitely feel like I can get some shoes, some stuff off with this. This is just one of them clean shoes that you feel like you could throw on low socks, some shorts, or just kick it in these. It's cooling with it, you know what I'm saying? I mean, these is one of them dope shoes, but this is definitely a sleeper. If you definitely looking for some shoes, you're looking for some Air Maxes or ones, or whatever it may be, please hit the site up, eBay. I know this might sound like a ad, but it's not. I'm just excited because I've been selling and buying from eBay for so long that it's really been, it's not lucrative to sell or whatever it can be, but I think finding steals gets me excited. Deals that you don't see, like especially when you can go, say you're gonna go and say a shoe $100, you're gonna wind up paying about $140, $150 once all of the totals come out. On eBay, a shoe costs $109, you might wind up paying $129, so or $130, close to there. So, but anyways, needless to say, this is not an ad, this is just me talking. But this is a dope shoe. This is a size 12. I always recommend, if you have a wider foot, with Air Force Ones, wow. With Air Max 1s, you go a half size bigger just because they fit narrow up in here. So half size bigger get you there. But yeah, these hints of this purple on here, I think just sets this shoe off tremendous. And that green. Green is my favorite color, and green sets this shoe off just so well. And I think that these will definitely be a shoe that you would need to cop. Like I said, it's the Nike Air Max 1 Treeline. If you can cop it, go cop it. Hey, I would do so. I don't know about y'all, but I will cop it. All right. Next, we're gonna get into this next one. I don't even know. Let me see if I can find the name of these. Let me see. Hold on one second. Let me see if I can pull a tag up on these. I forgot the name on them. This was a no box I got off of eBay. Let me see if I can pull a name and everything up on them. So we got it. This is the Nike Air Max 1 Light Matter route. This is I'm gonna say why I think this shoe is great. It's just the colors, man. That pink, and I think that pink just sets this shoe up something nice. That pink with that green, it definitely says Easter, summer, all that good stuff, spring. It definitely says all that, man. If y'all get a chance, like I said before, go cop these. And I think these kind of in the same family, because the same got the same base in the inside of it, so it's around the same family. If y'all see the inside, I think personally that this gonna be one of the coldest shoes you're gonna see this summer. You're not gonna see too many other shoes like this summer out there. Like I said before, this is a 12. If you can cop, man. I said this before. This pink on this, or somewhat pink. Like I said, this was an open box, so I don't have the box to it. This was out of box. So that and that green, that blue and that green, I think sets this shoe apart. And like I said, these shoelaces might be going to a solid pink or whatever. I'm not sure on what I want to change these to. That brown, grayish bottom to the shoe sets this shoe apart from some of the rest of them. And I think, like I said, sometimes when you get a shoe and you have it and you wear it, or you see it and it's like, I don't really want it, I don't really have it. I think these shoes released last year, late last year, somewhere around there, early this year. Let's see. Yeah, so late last year, somewhere in the middle of late last year. But honestly, all right, I'm rambling. But if you get a chance, cop a shoe, man. Cop a shoe. Go on eBay, man. They got shoes out there. And I think, to tell you the truth, this is one of the ones that will definitely be something I will rock. Y'all will see pictures. If you not follow my Instagram at Blacked Out Kicks. Should be somewhere in the bottom, somewhere on the screen, or in the section below. So, with needless to say, not keeping y'all for longer, I know this video kind of rambled on. Yo, this your boy, Blacked Out Kicks, coming to you with another banger. Yo, do me a favor, hit that like, hit that subscribe. Hey, make sure you share this with your family, your friends, all them good people, man. And hey, let your haters check your past thing while you keep looking forward. Yo, stay blessed, be blessed, and always find a way to get your blessings. Yo,
You telling me you falling out of love with me. Hope you can find someone to love you better than I did. Taking our memories on love and treating it like nothing. Taking our memories on love and treating it like gossip. You're telling me you're falling out of love with me. Fall out of love. Hope you can find someone to love you better than I did. Taking our memories on love and treat it like it's nothing. Taking our memories on love and treating it like gossip. Fall out of love. Nobody gon' treat you better like I did. You telling me you falling out of love with me. Hope you can find someone to love you better than I did. Taking our memories on love and treating it like nothing. Taking our memories on love and treating it like gossip.